Here contribution of atoms in a cubic unit cell. Last class we saw all the diagrams of simple cubic and face-centered cubic and body-centered cubic. 8 into 1 by 8 equal to 1. This is all 8 corners are supposed to write 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8. And all the corners 1 by 8 for simple cube. If it is a face-centered, it is shared by 1 by 2. I already told you, if you consider one classroom, it is touched by one floor as well as by the roof. So that is called 1 by 2. This face 1 by 2, this face 1 by 2, this face 1 by 2, and this face 1 by 2. This face is front side of the crystal 1 by 2. This is back side of the crystal 1 by 2. And body center is only 1. Everything considered as a 1. Each corner has 8 atoms at the corner in all the cube. Simple cubic and face centered cubic and body centered cubic and edge centered cubic only at the edges, edge center. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. And here also 1 by 4, and here I have missed here. I suppose to write 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Here 1 by 4 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 for this face. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 for this face. 1, 2, 3, 4 for this face. 1, 2, 3 like this. So 4 edges. So totally we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in simple cubic 1 and face centered cubic 3 and body centered is 1 and its center is 3. So totally we have 8. So I have written here the unit cell of simple cubic or primitive cell, that number of atoms at corners, simple cubic or body centered cubic or face centered cubic, everything is sharing by one atom in all the 8 corners. So 8 into 1 by 8, 8 cancel, all carries 1 atoms. And the number of atom at faces, no atom at the face of simple cubic and body cubic. Only at the face center it has 3 atoms. So 3 plus 1 it is 4. And no center of atom here. Only body contains only 1 atom at the center. So what 1 plus 1 equal to 2, and here only 1 is there. So I have written here. So these are the number of atoms are present in the 1 unit cell of simple cubic 1, for body centered cubic 2, for face centered equal to 4. And relation between the nearest neighbor distance, atom distance, and of D, that is radius R, and the edge length is called A. So for pure elements, we are going to see simple cubic, face centered cubic, and body centered cubic. For simple cubic, it is called primitive unit cell. Number of atoms at corner per unit cell is equal to 1. So A is called edge length, R is called radius, and these are called edge length A, edge length A, edge length A, here edge length A, here to here length A, and here to here edge length A, even here also edge length A, and this also edge length A, and this is also edge length A. So here any 2 atoms at the corners, here one atom, one corner, and second atom at the corner. From the center of the atom to this edge on radius, from here to the center of the atom on radius. So 2 radius are carried by 1 edge length. So edge length equal to A. So A equal to 2R in simple cubic. So therefore R equal to A by 2. Then we should calculate for the neighboring distance. So neighbor distance is nothing but for pure element, the formula is R equal to D by 2. Therefore D equal to 2R. Already we know 2R equal to A. So D equal to A for simple cubic. Now we will calculate for a face-centered cubic. In this face-centered cubic, it has 4 atoms per unit cell. So consider this 4 atoms, and this is at the center of the atom. we'll consider this atom A, B and C. This A to C, the distance of the atom, for this atom, this one radius, for this center to this place radius, from this center to this edge one radius, and from here to here the center radius. So B has 4 radius, and B to C edge length is A to B edge length is A. Now we should calculate what is the value of B. So in the triangle we will take ABC. In order to calculate AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, right angles to be taken. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square equal to B square. AB square equal to A square plus A square. So B square equal to 2A square. So B equal to, taking the root of this side, root 2 into root 2A square, and root 2 cancel. So you are getting A. So B equal to root 2A, but B as radius 4R. So substitute that 4R instead of B. So 4R equal to root 2A. Therefore A equal to 4R by root 2. So take this out, 4, 2 into 2, R by root 2. So 2 root 2 equal to 1, 2. So you will remove this 2 and write the root 2 into root 2 for this 2 instead of this 2. So root 2 into 2 are these 2 are divided by root 2. Root 2 cancel. So the answer of A is root 2 into 2R. A value root 2 into 2R. Therefore, R equal to radius of the atom. This is edge length of the atom. This is radius of the atom. And R equal to A by 2 into root 2. Now we should calculate the D value, neighboring distance. So R equal to D by 2. So D equal to 2R. So D equal to 2 into, substitute R value, A by 2 into root 2. 2 cancel. So A by root 2. So together I have written here. This will be helpful for you to do the problems. A equal to root 2 into 2R. R value A by 2 into root 2, and D equal to A by root 2. This is edge length value, and this is the radius of the atom. This is the distance between the two atoms. Next we are going to see BCC structure, and this is body centered cubic. In this body centered cubic, this four corners, 4 atoms, this 4 corners, 4 atoms. So I will taken this atom, at the only body centered. So what this considered as a atom, B atom, C atom, D atom, E atom of this corner, F atom of this corner, F, G atom of this corner, H atom of this corner. So in order to calculating this B face diagonal, and then we should see this atom to body center to this corner, we should see the distance of C and B. A is called edge length. First let us see the length of the B calculation and then C calculation. So in order to calculate a B value, we will take that as EFD triangle. So EFD triangle, we should calculate B. So in this triangle of right angles, FD square equal to EF square plus ED square. So B to be calculated, FD square equal to EF square plus ED square. So FD square equal to B square, and this is A square and this is A square. So B square equal to 2A square. So B already remove this square, make into root this side, root 2 into root 2A square. We can remove this square and root 2, you are getting only A. So B value is equal to root 2. Next we should calculate what is the C value. For C value calculation, we will let us take A, D and F triangle. So A F square equal to FD square plus AD square value. So here we will take C value, A F square equal to AD square plus FD square. C square equal to A square plus B square. Here This is a square and this is b square. So c square equal to a square plus b square. B square value already we got it at a 2a square. So substitute that b square value here. C square equal to this 2a square plus 1a square, 3a square. Remove the square, put the square root of this. Root 3a square means a square and root 2 cancel. We are getting only a. So c equal to root 3a. But c value we have 4r radius. For this atom, this one radius. For center of the atom, we are getting from center to this edge 1r. From this center to this edge 1r. And this center to this edge 1r. 1r, 2, 3, 4r contains. So c equal to 4r. So substitute 4r equal to root 3a. So a equal to 4r by root 3. Therefore, r equal to root 3a by 4. So we know in order to calculate the d value, r equal to d by 2. Either this value or we can write a d equal to 2r and 2 into substitute this value and find out, or we can write a d by 2 equal to root 3r, root 3a by 4r value. So 4 cancel 2 here, root 3a by 2 is the d value. So BCC, a equal to 4r by root 3 and r equal to root 3a by 4, d equal to root 3a by 2 for BCC. So for totally, I have substituted all the values here. Here are simple cubic, face-centered cubic, body-centered cubic, edge length, distance between the nearest neighbor atoms and the radius of the atom. Substituted 2r for edge length value, d value is equal to a, r value equal to a by 2 for simple cubic, and face-centered cubic, edge length value is root 2 into 2r value, the distance between the two neighboring atom, a by root 2. So r I can write a into 1 by root 2 is value 0.707a. It is very simple manner I have written here in order to asking the question only to find out the edge length means we can find out by using this neighbor value. It is a shortcut method to reduce this root 2 values, and here a by 2 into root 2 I have taken 1 by 2 into root 2 value 0.3535a, and body centered value 4r by root 3 is the edge length value, and the neighboring distance value is the root 3a by 2, or root 3 by 2 value 0.866a as it is, and for a radius root 3a by 4 or root 3 by 4 value 0.433a. It's very easy to remember this. Here 0.7 for FCC, 0.8 for a BCC. Here 0.3 for FCC and here 0.4 for a BCC. Please by heart all the values for a pure element or value is equal to d by 2. Thank you, students.